In this video, we are going to open up the Blink doorbell and see what we have inside the package. So you just slide the box and so this is the how to mount video doorbell instruction, and your video doorbell inside. This is the doorbell, and this is the mounting bracket for your doorbell. And you have a battery also inside. They left you 2 batteries, and let's see what else they have inside. This is a kind of mold. You just put it in your door and make measurements. Screws inside, and you also have, if you have a wired doorbell, you can use this one to extend your wires. You also have a clip to mount and unmount this camera. You use this clip to poke underneath, so you can release this unit to change the battery or anything else. And I also bought the angle mounting bracket. This is about $7. In case you want to mount your doorbell in an angle, so you can look at the face, whoever ringing the bell clearly, this angled one will help you. Hope this video is helpful to you. Give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell.